Okay, here we go. Van Life 2.0. Spooky and I left Rhode Island end of October. Raced to Texas, 1,800 miles. He did really well. Very proud of him. Let's go meet the new van. This is Indigo. She's a 2002 Chinook Premier. Low mileage, drives like a dream. Easy handling. She's got that big V10 Triton Ford engine, so she's got plenty of power. Everything's working good now. Took a while to work out some bugs. Had a bit of an issue with the black tank. The valve was leaking, but I had a tech come out and he rebuilt the whole gate there. It was all rusted out, so the gate just wouldn't open. But that's all set now. But she's nice. I like her a lot. Let's go have a look inside. I do hope the camera takes everything in. There's not a lot of space. But this is an overview. Please don't mind the mess. I obviously need a vacuum cleaner. The carpet sweeper's just not doing it. Can't get the edges. So they're quickly filling up with bits of cat food and cat treats. But we'll get that taken care of soon. So the entryway, little closet, nice refrigerator. Of course, it's got this beautiful glass front because, you know, what van lifer would want to have a metal refrigerator to put magnets on? Don't know. We got the 2-burner cooktop and a microwave. All the monitoring panel here. Water pump over here in the galley. The 2-bay sink. Little bit of storage. Not a lot. Coffee maker's gonna have to go. I don't drink coffee anymore. And it's taking up some space there I don't like. The dinette converts into a bed, pretty comfortable, but I like having the table up all the time. So I've been sleeping on the couch, which also pulls out. Haven't done that yet. Been pretty comfortable just sleeping on the couch. Again, not a lot of storage. All the water's underneath the couch. Pipes and heater and the water pump. It's all under there. Little bit of space for storage under there, but not much. I got my shoes under there. Clothes up here, dishes and such up here. Old lady medicine and medical things up in here. Like I said, storage is a bit of an issue. The dinette's gonna have to serve as storage part of the time. Books and notepads and such like that underneath. I've got my hobby things. The gray cell battery pack has to come off of there when we're traveling. Has to sit on the floor so it doesn't fall over. Spooky's accoutrements over there. Might be able to get rid of that. He doesn't have a whole lot of need for a lot of things. There's no room in here for him to play, even if he wanted to, which he doesn't usually. He goes out and he's having a great time doing that. Up front, as the cab. Hopefully you can see all that. The litter box is tucked over there on the passenger side. He's been good about using that when he's inside, when he needs to. His seating area there when we're driving, or when he wants to be alone, or he likes to sit up on the dash, obviously. We'll get up there with the lint brush, clean him off of there. The solar panel fits right back here with some tools and such. My outside chair sits behind this one easily. This is where I hide my backpack fixation problem, whatever you want to call it, and some warm clothes there. And that's about it. This is everything. I'm enjoying it. It's quite comfortable. When it's not too hot, I'll sit in here. I'll watch my videos and read, do what I need to do. The air conditioning works, the heat works, the refrigerator is nice and cold. The microwave makes a great bread box. That's a something that we learned in Miss Daisy. But when I have electricity, or when I have the generator turned on, it works fine. So it's there. If I need it, I use it. There is one solar panel here on the roof. I don't know how much it's going to do. We haven't been out boondocking much yet. But it adds a little something, I guess. And I have my solar panel to charge the gray cell, so we'll do just fine. But that's it. This is Indigo. Home sweet home. Spooky is not home. Otherwise, he'd be featured in the video. But maybe next time. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, sorry about the angle on that. I realized on review that I was pointing at the ceiling most of the time. So I'll just do a quick little scan around here so you can actually see what I was pointing at. See what's going on. Yeah, that's it. I didn't point out the TV and the VCR because I have really no intention of using it. We'll probably just take those out of there to give me more room in that cupboard. And I forgot to show you the master bath. One at a time, please. So it is a wet bath. Kind of tight for showering, but for a quick hose down, it's nice. It's nice to have it. And of course, at the state parks and such, I have the shower houses, and Planet Fitness is usually available, so I can have an actual good hot shower when I need it. Yeah, it's all fiberglass all the way around, so easy to clean. You know, disinfectant wipes, or just turn the shower on it, and it's all good. That's the wet bath. Again, thanks for stopping by.